Hello everyone, my name is Alois Nikodym and this is
Heather Wright.
And we are instructors at Kikkawa College and welcome to our little channel. We are going to demonstrate a variety of assessment and treatment technique and I hope that you will enjoy seeing them. So, the first technique that we will demonstrate today is a stretch for a muscle in our groin area called the iliopsoas muscle. Heather, can you please lie down on your stomach with your face on this in this hole?
Yes.
Okay. So iliopsoas muscle is a very pesky muscle on the inside of the abdominal cavity, and it runs from your femur all the way up to the fulcrum of the lumbar spine and ends up in the diaphragmatic muscle. This muscle is probably the easiest way to stretch if you take the leg and the thigh, bend the knees, and reach under the femur. Now, Heather, if you can please take your left arm and reach beside you, place it beside you, excellent. Now, I'm going to take the femur and bring it into abduction and extension until I reach the end feel. Now, at the end of the end feel, I'm going to reach for her shoulder and I'm going to extend by leaning back with my body weight, okay? And the extent of the stretch should hit the iliopsoas muscle at the angle. That's probably the most effective stretch for this muscle we can do. And of course, we would hold it for 30 seconds, communicating with the client about their comfort. And this stretch, of course, can be done with the draping on as well.